Hello everyone and welcome back to the channel. So guys, in this video we are going to make our first change in our Angular app that we have created in the last videos. So let's first of all recap what we have seen so far previously in our previous videos. But before starting this video, make sure that you subscribe to my channel if you are new to the channel. Also, if you haven't checked this playlist yet, make sure to check it because I am creating a complete playlist on Angular with all the topics in it. So let's start with our today's discussion. So in the previous videos, what we have seen is we have installed our Angular CLI globally. Okay, now this is one of the steps that you not need to do regularly. Okay, because if your Angular CLI is installed globally, you do not have to install it every time you create a new project. Okay, this is a one-time thing. You can do it again if you want to update the version or something. Okay, next time if you want to create your new project, then you have to use this command ng-new and your project name. So we have created our project with the name my first project. Next, after creating your project, you have to move to your project directory, that is cd my first project, and finally we ran our development server with the command ng-serve. Now in this video, what we are going to do is we are going to do very basic stuff which will help us to understand how we start coding in our Angular application. So let's move on to our code now. So this is the application that we got in our last videos. Okay, so that was my first project, and in that we have a source folder where in app we have all our files, that is the app component files. So as always, let me run the development server first with the command ng-serve. Okay, now once the development server starts, what we are going to do is we are going to make our own change. Okay, initial change we are going to do in this video. So let me start the site on the local host. So you can see this is the basic or default app that I get. Okay, now let us try to make some change over here. So first of all, what I'm going to do is let's change this hello or this existing text. Then we are going to remove all the text, and then we are going to add our own customized text. So let's change this hello to something. So instead of hello, I'm going to write the humble coder. So what we want to do is we want to first of all go to this file. Okay, so basically all the code that you are seeing is coming from this file, which is app.component.html. So you can see there is a lot of code, okay, in this file. So you can see there is a lot of code that is there in this file. Okay, now we want to change hello, right? So what we can do is I can do a control F, and then I will search for the word hello. You can see this hello is coming from here, and this title is coming from other file. So we are also going to see that. First of all, let me make some change. I'm going to save this file, and let's go to the browser, and you can see now my hello is changed to this one. So we have made our first change now. This is a very big step that we have taken in our Angular journey. In the upcoming videos, we are going to learn more advanced stuff. And now let's do one thing. I'm cleaning out everything, and I'm going to start from scratch. So I'm going to write a h1, and I'm just going to write a basic statement that is hello world. So let's save this file and let's see. So you can see we have got a hello world that is displayed on our screen. Now you have to understand few basic stuff before moving forward. So you can see that whatever the main content that we are seeing on the screen is all coming from our app component. Okay, app.component.html. so this file is basically responsible for your layout of your component. Okay, and then your logic that we write app.component.ts. okay, so in this file basically we write all of our logic. So if in this file you can see the title, that is the name of our project. Okay, now next thing is there is another thing, that is, this title of our project, my first project, is not coming from these component files. This is coming from basic index.html. so this index.html is our entry point. Okay, entry point of our project, you always have to remember. So the title that is coming is from this place. Okay, so let me change it, and you can see once I save it, then I got to see this change. Your entry point of your project, Angular project, is always this index.html, and this index.html we are feeding our app root we are mentioning here. So in this way our app.component.html is displaying on our screen. Okay, now one more important thing to notice is you can see we have the title of this project here, right? Now if you want to display something from app.component.ts to app.component.html, we have to use a concept called string interpolation. So in the next video we are going to see in detail about string interpolation, but here I'm just giving you a basic idea about it. So when I write title in this way, so now you can see my value of the title is displaying here. So in this way we can display different variables from our ts file to html file. Let's look at the interview question for today. So the interview question for today is, what are single page applications in Angular? So basically, one of the important features of Angular is that we can create single page applications through it. So let us understand what exactly are single page applications. So single page applications are web applications that load once with the new features, just being mere additions to the user interface. It does not load new HTML pages to display the new pages content, instead generated dynamically. So basically one of the important features is that our entire website does not get refreshed or reloaded. This is made possible through JavaScript's ability to manipulate the DOM elements on the existing page itself. So the website that you are seeing is one single page and different components of it are getting updated. SPA approach is faster, thus providing seamless user experience. So this single page application experience is very faster and it makes user experience very good and it makes our site very performant. With this, we have come to an end of this video, but if you are new to the channel, make sure to subscribe to the channel, and I'm going to bring more such topics of Angular, and very soon I'm going to bring a complete interview question playlist on Angular. So that's all for this video, and I will see you in next video.